Hey guys, welcome to my channel and to this standing yoga flow. We are going to begin at the tops of our mats on our feet. So meet me there. Bring the feet together and the hands into prayer at your heart center with the thumbs pressed into the sternum, and then softly close the eyes. Begin to really press into the feet here. Lift the kneecaps up towards the hips. Soften the shoulders down away from the ears. And relax the forehead and the jaw. And the whole of the face. Take a big breath in through the nose. And then exhale out through the mouth, sigh it out. Bring the arms down by the sides and softly reopen the eyes. On an inhale, reach the arms up and high, gaze up towards the fingers. And as you exhale, begin to hinge forwards, hands come through heart center. Soften the knees and lower the hands down. Relax the head, relax the back of the neck. On an inhale, press the hands to the lower legs. Lift up halfway, lengthen out the spine. Exhale, fold back over the legs. Inhale, press into the feet and sweep the arms around and up. Exhale, again, hinge forwards, bend at the knees. Lower hands down, relax the head, soften the shoulders. Inhale, lift up halfway, take the round out from the back, draw the shoulder blades back and down. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, root down through the feet, rise all the way up. And exhale, hinge. Lowering down, forward fold. Inhale, lift and lengthen, gaze forwards, open up the chest. Exhale, bow down, drape the upper body over the lower body. Inhale, root down, rise. And exhale, forward fold, hinge at the hips. Inhale, lift and lengthen, open up the heart. Exhale, bow down. Now press the palms down, bend the knees, and step back to find a high plank. Press the heels towards the back of the room. Press into the palms, draw the lower belly in and up. Now hinge forwards and start to bend the elbows, lower to the knees, and then lower down halfway. And inhale for cobra, elbows face towards the back of the room. As you exhale, tuck the toes and shift the hips back. Send hips high for downward facing. Press the heels down towards the earth, spread the fingers wide. Full breath in and out. With your next inhale, step the right foot between the hands. Spin the back foot down to 45 degrees and then rise up for warrior one. Send the hips and the chest forwards. Soften shoulders. And then spin the back foot to parallel with the mat. Open up the hips towards the left side. Send the arms wide for warrior two. Press into the hips. Inhale to peaceful warrior. Reach the back arm down the left leg, right arm up and over. Just coming to your depth. Legs stay as they are. And exhale, spiral the hands all the way down to frame the front foot and step back, high plank. Inhale, push the earth away with the palms and draw the belly in. Exhale, tip forwards. Lower to the knees or come down to chaturanga, halfway. Elbows hug in. And inhale to cobra or upward facing. Exhale, back to downward facing. Press the heels towards the earth. Head relaxing between the arms. And inhale, step the left foot between the hands, spin the back foot down, and begin to rise up for warrior one. Back foot pointing in that 45-degree angle. Chest and hips pressing towards the front of the room. Energize through the arms. Press that back heel of the right foot down. Now spin the back foot to parallel with the mat. Hips open up to the right now. Sink into the hips. Warrior two. And inhale, peaceful warrior. Exhale, spiral the hands all the way down. And step back for high plank. Inhale, draw the belly in. And exhale, tip forwards. Maybe lower to the knees or lower into chaturanga. Halfway, elbows hug in. Inhale, cobra or upward facing. Exhale, take it back to downward facing. On an inhale, reach the right leg back and high. And as you exhale, draw the knee in towards the nose. Inhale, take it back and high. Exhale, bring the right knee to the right elbow. Inhale, take it back and high. Exhale, bring right knee to left elbow across the body. Inhale, back and high. Exhale, draw the knee in towards the nose. And then place the foot between the hands. We're on the ball of the back foot. Stay here. And then begin to rise up for crescent lunge. Stay for a breath here. And then bring the hands to the heart. And then we'll take a twist, bringing the left elbow across the right leg. Press the palms together and point that right elbow up towards the sky. Now see if you can lift the belly away from the thighs. Good, and now come back to your lunge. And then lower the left palm to the inside of the right foot and take the right arm back and high for a twisted lunge. From here, pivot onto the outer edge of the left foot. Stay here for a modified side plank, or take the right leg and stack the right foot on top of the left. Send the hips high towards the sky. Stay in here. Or if you want a bit more of a challenge, see if you can lift the right leg away. And then lower. Then we're going to draw the right knee in towards you. And then start to bring that foot all the way back to the top of the mat. So you're back in your high lunge, hands to the heart. From here, drive off with the back leg. Bringing the knee up. Try to keep your balance here. Flex the left foot. Draw the belly in to engage your core to help you find balance. And then start to straighten the leg. And we're going to sweep the foot above the floor, take the leg back to find a warrior three. So flex the toes down towards the earth and spiral the outer thigh towards the floor. Find something still to focus your gaze on to help with your balance here. Inhale, come all the way back, knee draws in. hips square. And then cross the left foot over the right thigh, flex the left toes and send the left knee back for an outer hip stretch. Staying as you are, maybe sinking down into the hips. Now lift back up. Now take the left foot behind the hip. Take a hold of the foot with the hand so that the palm is facing away from the body. Reach the right arm up. Stay here for a quad stretch, or take a nice big inhale. And as you exhale, begin to press the foot into the hand. Again, inhale, find length. And exhale, kick the foot into the hand. Continue to inhale to find length and space, and then exhale to press the foot into the hand. Keeping the right knee soft. And then slowly coming all the way back. Lower the foot, bring the hands to your heart. Taking a breath in through the nose. And exhale out through the mouth. Arms down by the sides. Inhale, reach the arms high. And then exhale, hinge forwards. Forward fold. Inhale, lift and lengthen, open chest. And exhale, plant the hands, step back for plank pose. Inhale, draw the belly in. And exhale, shifting forwards, maybe lower the knees or move through chaturanga, elbows hug in, lower halfway. Inhale, cobra or upward facing. Exhale to downward facing. On an inhale, send the left leg back and high. As you exhale, draw a knee in towards the nose. Inhale, take it back and high. And exhale to the left elbow. Inhale, take it back and high. Exhale to the right elbow. Inhale, back and high. And exhale, draw it in to the nose. And then lower the foot between the hands. Rise on up for your crescent lunge. Bring the hands to the heart. And then take a twist. So bring the right elbow, hook it over the left thigh. Press palms together. Lift the belly away from the thighs. And then lift the chest back up. And we're going to lower that right palm to the inside of the left foot. Reach the left arm back and up for a twisted lunge. And then we'll pivot onto the outer edge of the right foot and come into either this modified plank or stack the left foot on top of the right, sending hips high. Press into the right palm. Maybe going further and lifting the left leg. Strong core. And then lower the foot down, and then without lowering the foot onto the mat, we're going to drive that knee in. Place the foot down to find your crescent lunge. Hands to heart. And we'll drive off with the back foot. Lifting knee towards the chest. Flex the right toes. Extend the leg. Keep the leg active. And then sweep it back. Making that T shape. Spin the outer thigh down. Balance here. In your warrior three, focusing on something still. And then draw it back in. And cross the foot over the left thigh, flex the toes. Sink into the hips. And bring it back up. Take the foot behind the hip. Take a hold of the foot, palm facing away from the body. Stay here for your quad stretch. Or inhale, reach high, create space and length. And exhale, begin to press the foot into the hand. And inhale, lengthen. Exhale, to kick the foot into the hand. And then slowly start to bring it all the way back. Reaching the arms up, lower foot down, and then bring the hands to your heart. Close the eyes for a moment. Bring awareness to the body. Mentally scan the body from the head to the toes. Just checking in, noticing how you are feeling now. Any sensations? And then we'll take a cleansing breath in through the nose and an exhale out of the mouth. Thumbs to the third eye between the brows. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoyed, please let me know, and I will see you again soon. Enjoy the rest of your day or your evening, wherever you are. Thank you so much.